Okay guys, as you can see, I've just come back from Bali and I'm nice and tanned, which is very unusual for an Irishman. Now, here's what's happening at MJB Seminars this week. On Tuesday at 4:30, you have the Relationships in You call. Make sure your ass is on that call. Always some awesome information there for you, and that's West Australian Standard Time. On Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we have the PPP, which is part of the Evolve group, which is Plan, Prepare, Project. On the Friday, though, we're opening it up to anybody. So you can come in and you can work out your market projection with Mike. He's going to work out that stuff with you guys. Fantastic opportunity to come in and spend time with Mike from Evolve, who's an absolute genius. August, September, we have Mastermind and Money happening in your state. Make sure you're following us on social so you can understand how you can get your bum on a seat there. And then finally, we also have Flip the Script happening in August, which is the online version of Relationships in You. It's where you get to attend Relationships in You, but you do it online. And even if you've attended Relationships in You, you can still come and do this and have the exact same experience as you had at Relationships in You. So it's repeatable. So if you know anybody that's struggling and you want to be able to help those guys, flick them this and they can come along and register and get themselves into Flip the Script. Have an amazing week. Take care. Bye.